Did you know that otitis externa, a common ear infection, affects up to 20% of cats by the age of 3? This painful condition often occurs when bacteria or yeast build up in the ears, usually due to improper cleaning or the use of harsh, ineffective products. Unfortunately, many ear cleaning solutions on the market today are filled with harmful chemicals or just don't work, leaving pet owners frustrated and pets in discomfort. After years of treating countless cases, I've come across a small brand on Amazon that has truly changed the lives of many pets. All you do is slip your finger into the pre-moistened wipe and gently clean around the inside of their ear. They're alcohol-free, super gentle, and made with a non-toxic formula that breaks down bacteria buildup without causing irritation. I now recommend it to all my pet owners. They're a small, passionate team, so their products often sell out quickly. I appreciate their authenticity, which is why I'm supporting them by linking the product in my TikTok shop. If you see an orange box below, you might still be able to grab some.